Hey, I'm Ken.
And I'm Leanne.
And this is Journeys with Ken and Leanne. And what we are, we're out at our property over on the side of the property near that road that we talked about with the apron there. And what we're going to do is we're going to put in a couple of posts and a wire across it. Thank you. A cable across it so people can't go through here. We're going to let this grow over, and then we're probably going to cut a couple of these big trees down across it.
Right, so this is an old logging road, and we don't want people to come up that way to the property. Trying to get everything secure before they bring the materials out. We're way out in the county and want to be sure everything is safe and secure.
All
and
right.
It's early.
Yeah, it's about 7:30.
Another one of those projects we're doing to save money.
Yeah. All right, so let's get to it. So this auger we borrowed from my neighbor. So he said it's pretty powerful. It's going to take 2 people to do it. Threw him on his butt, he said. So we've decided to go ahead and put the post right across the driveway, right back over here. First thing we got to do is dig a hole. So we're going to see if we can use this auger.
It's bigger than I am, and I got to help.
Alright, let's see how deep it is. We're hitting the root down here, so can't get too far.
Right through the middle.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'd like to get down another foot, but...
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's why I wish I had the smaller shovel.
Oh, the root and red clay.
Put it back that way, it leaks everywhere. I don't know. Start again. Let me pause this.
Oh man.
All right, so now we put this in there. All around it. Bag got wet last night, so. Now the moisture from the ground will harden this up, so I hope. All right, so last time we talked to you and you saw us, it was 7:30 in the morning. It is what, 11 o'clock right now?
No, I don't think it's quite that late, but it's close.
11:01.
Oh.
All right, so it's 11:01. We had some little bit of trouble with the auger. I had to replace all the fuel lines in it, so we went back to the house, or went to Ace Hardware, got some tubing, went home. Tubing wasn't enough, so I had to go back and get another 2 feet.
That's okay. What you doing, man?
Trying to fix this dang auger.
What happened?
Fuel line, well, the return line broke, and then got it all back together, put a new return line on, and hold on a second, can't hear myself think with the music playing. Got the return line replaced, went to Ace Hardware and grabbed some more tubing, and then we were trying to start it and realized that the actual gas line was broken too, so replaced that too. I must have broke it when I was putting the other one back on. It was old and brittle, but considering I borrowed this, I'll fix it.
And it wasn't a very expensive fix.
Now, 49 cents for a foot of tubing, that's fine.
All right, so we'll get back out to the property,
Hopefully.
go to Holly Hill, and see if we can finish this journey
Well,
we started a long time ago.
We may go back out. I don't know. If not, I've got the hand auger or the post hole digger right there. We'll end up having to do that.
Oh, I hope not.
I hope not
All
either,
right.
because you're going to be tired tonight.
I know, we got a party to go to.
I know.
Birthday party.
And now it seems to be running okay, so we're going to get back to this. So.
We were just waiting for the sun to come up and to get really hot out here again.
Yeah. Because the next place we go is in the sun.
Directly.
So. All right, let's get to it.
Let's do it.
Let's dig this thing out. We're hitting a sandstone, I think. Or something.
We're definitely hitting something.
I can hear it clicking. No, that's just the mud.
Red dirt, is that hard?
Apparently so, or that thing's so short, so dull. The blade.
What about the post hole digger?
Yeah, let's see how that works. See if it'll help.
Wow, that's tough.
Yeah. We got a good rain coming in tonight, and it should get down in there and moisten that stuff up. All right, when you're talking about putting up a gate like this is not a gotta keep them out at all costs kind of gate. This is a be warned that I'm going to shoot you in the eye if you come on my property gate. So all we got is this 1/4 inch cable, and we're going to put this on here, but then this little bracket right here, see if you can see that, this little bracket right there, and then we'll come back and I'll put some solder on here to keep this from coming out. Alright, so there it is, that's one side, and it's gonna slide right through this. So we're going to take this thing, I'll slide it through here, and then this is going to slide back through, just like the other one.
Right. But it needs to go around this first?
No. How did you get it out? Alright, so take this, you'll see in a second. And then we have a locked gate. Like I said, hopefully this will harden up real quick, and we just have a show you. There's a pretty girl, Leanne. Hey, you're my heart. All right, so, and like I said, we'll put a no trespassing sign right here.
Beyond this point, you are no longer trespassing, you're a target.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay. You're like, what did I get into? All right, let's go do the other fence now. This one should be a little bit different.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to use the rest of this concrete from the other two bags. So let me look at something. Oh, please don't be too far. Nope. Oh, it's perfect. Right there.
Awesome.
I
Dang, we good.
don't know about that, but
We're gonna say we are.
go ahead, baby, get it.
I got it. Doing this side first?
Sure. All right.
Awesome.
All right, so there you have it. The feel good fences are up. Read the sign. Get off my lawn, kid. Get off my lawn.
So this is the utility road. Underground power was put in this past week. You'll see that in, I think, episode 17 or 18. They're going to come in and run water lines too. So this is our utility road, and that's why this fencing's a little bit different.
The water line's going to go up the right-hand side, and the power's up the left-hand side. And as Leanne said, that's why these are different, so they can remove these and get in here for utility work in case one of the lines or the electrical goes bad.
Everything's underground, so hopefully we won't have an issue with that.
All right, well, that's it for today. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you know when stuff's coming out. Tell them where else they can find us, babe.
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Journeys with Ken and Leanne. Don't forget to ring that bell. There's a lot of things happening, so we're going to try to keep up with contractors. You try to keep up with us.
All right, until next time, hope you enjoyed the journey. Damn, I'm already hot and tired.
Come on, baby, let's do it 10 more times.
Walking up a damn hill.
Yeah, like you've been
crap.
working.
Shit. You could have walked under that, huh?
Yeah, just about.